They basically, as I mentioned, when you say challenges is to prove yourself. First is the acceptance in the system. Second, you have to prove yourself. So in the Navy, there are two stream of officers. One is the direct entry stream of officers. We have joined from the college, engineering college. Other is from NDA. And NDA officers, they go through a long training, almost 3 years more than what we go through the direct entry officers. So certainly, initially at the time of joining, they are more inclined towards the naval or military way of life. Then the second part is, if your father is from army, again, culturally, you are more aligned. If you do not fall in any of the groups, then probably you are starting with a disadvantage. But then it doesn't take for a smart chap, for a good chap, for an adaptable chap, for a flexible chap, for a positive attitude chap, and with someone with the basic capabilities, skills and capabilities, it doesn't take much time. Only thing is, initially you may have to work a little harder, more diligence, more commitment, but then it shows up. And once your intentions are right, once your attitude is right, I think it doesn't take much time to meet the expectations and to meet the competition also. Take up the competition.